I've worked on everything from Maseratis to Mazdas to whatever they could bring at me. So I started right off the bat pulling wrenches on the hardest thing they had, and I've kind of kept up with all my training and stuff to keep going on it. So what brought me here is I saw an ad in the paper, I answered the ad. That was part of the history. I just started coming to work. So it gets kind of hectic at times, trying to make sure that everybody else has got work to do and got that all issued out to them. So plus then keep myself busy and keep my cars getting done. So it gets to be a busy day. What's next for me is hopefully in another 6 years I can retire and enjoy my retirement. So getting up there in age where it's getting time to think about that. I've always enjoyed working on cars. From the get-go, when I was 13 years old, my cousin built hot rods, and from then on I just loved turning wrenches on cars. You know, I like to hear the motors run, you know. It just was in my blood, I guess. My name is Darren Hartman. I'm an auto technician, shop foreman at Chippewa Mazda.